now that we introduced vectors, in physics we saw force vectors. Suppose a person pulls on the handle of a wagon at an angle of theta with positive part of x-axis, the horizontal. Then vector F represents the force on this wagon. So if you have the force, it is basically a vector that can be represented by its component. The horizontal component, we denoted by F sub x, which is basically taking the magnitude of the force itself times cosine theta. The vertical component is going to be written as the magnitude of F times sine theta. So basically this vector F has two components, magnitude of F times cosine theta and magnitude of F times sine theta. Or basically your vector can be represented by F of x and F of y. Let's go over one example. Suppose that person, the person above, pulls the handle at an angle 30 degrees and the magnitude of the force is given to us as 20. Very good. So what is that vector force? So the vector force is basically has two components in this case, the magnitude of F times cosine theta and the magnitude of F times sine theta. We have the magnitude, which is 20 times cosine of 30 degrees, and the magnitude 20 times sine of 30 degrees. As you remember, this is 20 times square root of 3 divided by 2, and then you have 20 times a half, which is equal to 10 square root of 3 and